Gentle healing. Globe Hemorrhoid Cream focuses on treating hemorrhoids as comfortably possible. We use fast numbing action to reduce itching, burning, and other pain. We use natural soothing aloe vera to help keep skin healthy while reducing swelling. Treatment and protection. This hemorrhoid medicine uses phenylephrine HCl, pramoxine HCl, and white petrolatum to reduce size and soothe pain while numbing. Our formula uses glycerol to form a protective layer around the hemorrhoid to guard against friction and pain. Effective treatment. Globe's hemorrhoid ointment relieves symptoms for both internal and external hemorrhoids and piles. The soothing creme gives relief from swelling, flare-ups, and discomfort. Just compare our active ingredients to preparation H. Faster and easier. Globe Hemorrhoid Cream acts quicker with ingredients formulated to penetrate deep and take action faster. You can add the creme to wipes, applicators, or just use a finger for external hemorrhoids. First aid essentials. Globe's hemorrhoid treatment is a must-have for any first aid kit or medicine cabinet. This medicated cream is perfect for even the most sensitive cases and gives relief faster. We cut out unnecessary fillers and deliver effective results. Product description. Globe Hemorrhoid Cream, numbing medicine for piles and hemorrhoid inflammation, burning, itching, pain, and other discomfort. 1.8 ounces tube. Get gentle relief perfect for sensitive skin in the most sensitive areas from Globe Hemorrhoid Creme. This medicated ointment delivers treatment for internal and external hemorrhoid symptoms. We've formulated a treatment that acts faster to bring you the relief you need when you need it. Globe Hemorrhoid Cream is a perfect addition to any medicine cabinet or first aid kit.